Assalamualaikum, my name is Ayan and I will give an overview of my drawing application made using GUI in Qt in C++. Four header files are there starting from main windows. It denotes the main windows of header file for the main windows class. A UI main window is the user interface of our class. QPen and QPainter are basically for drawing purposes. The main window is the main initializes the main window class. UI creates an UI object. UI setup uh, basically sets up the UI based on the design created in Qt Designer, and then we have made a destructor to delete the user interface to save up the memory. Then we have used event handling in our project. The first one is mouse press event. It is set up, the position is set up as ilconum. It is basically the initial point of our mouse click after mouse is clicked, and then we have not assigned anything to the mouse release event. Then after mouse is being clicked, it starts moving. So this point is called sonconum. There are two set points now. Initial point is ilconum and the final point is sonconum. The final point is sonconum. So the push dot pushback syscur. This function basically adds the newly created line to the sysgiller vector. Update function is used to update or trigger the repaint of the window. If you want to repaint the window, then you can use the update function. uh, the the last function ilconum is equals to sonconum is used if you want to update the initial point ilconum to the current point sonconum. If you want to draw multiple lines or allow continuous drawing, then you can use this function. The final last event handler we have used is paint event. It is basically used to paint or check the font, line or color of the lines we have drawn. We can draw the starting from the paint event paint key event one. This is called when the window needs to be repainted. The second one is Q pen Kalim. It is sets up the pen with black color, 3 pixel width in solid line style. It means you can change the color of the by using this function. You can change the color, pixel width and the line style of the lines you have drawn. So the set pen function object can assign the pen to the painter, and draw lines object draws all the lines stored in the sysgiller vector. So the new vector is created called sysgiller. So if you want to draw a line, set up a new line behind the initial line, you can use the pushback function, which is commonly used in vectors in C++. So I will how this works basically is when you press the mouse button, the position is recorded in ilconum. This is the ilconum. So if as you move the mouse, sonconum is updated with the current position. This is sonconum, this is the updated position. Then a line is created from ilconum to sonconum and added to sysgiller. This is the sysgiller function, and then the window is updated displaying the new line. The update function works like that. So as the window is updated, ilconum is updated to the current position to allow continuous drawing, and the paint method is called whenever the window needs to be redrawn. The cube painter object is used to draw the lines stored in the sysgiller. This is the sysgiller. If you want to store lines in this vector, you can use uh, this function. Okay, so uh, This process allows you to draw lines continuously on the windows by continuous drawing. So this is the end of our project. Hope you like it. Thank you.